Are you feeling exhausted, sad, and not motivated? Well, you're not alone. But now there's a solution. Southern Ketamine and Wellness offers ketamine infusions.
We see people who had just chronic treatment-resistant depression, but we also see other kinds of depression. Postpartum depression is a big one. That's just a very shortened time period where hormones are kind of readjusting, but it can manifest in really, really bad depression, and also seasonal affective disorder. It gets darker earlier, it gets cold, you don't see the light, and so we see a lot of people in the wintertime and also around the wintertime as holidays. And for a lot of people, holidays and family time can be a big stressor.
Dr. Harrison Irons.
We start an IV and we give you an infusion of ketamine based off of your weight over a 40-minute period. And ketamine is an anesthetic drug, and so people experience some sleepiness and things like that during the infusion. But after the infusion's concluded, after about 10 or 15 minutes of them waking up or so, they are able to go home with a driver.
This works, Dr. Irons says, because ketamine grows neurons in the brain, healing the way it processes information.
And so when people are kind of going through the ketamine series and they're kind of getting triggered, they notice that while they have the trigger that would normally elicit like a really physical and emotional response, they don't have that anymore. They're able to just shrug it off, like little things that used to really get them kind of keyed up. They recognize that, well, I had this trigger and I had a thought that typically would have led me down the rabbit hole into a panic attack. It didn't happen.
After a handful of treatments, patients like Misty Arnold say she's got her life back.
Energy, joy, I feel joy again, peace, serenity, clarity, calm. I was having panic attacks.